What's the gossip?
Gossip in the Grove.
What's the gossip?
Gossip in the Grove.
What's the gossip?
Hey, we're back. Hey, Scarlett.
Hey, how's it going?
Well, it's been a while.
It has.
And today, what are we talking about?
Christmas in the Grove.
That's right, because it's already the end, almost the end of November. So Christmas in the Grove is what, 2 weeks away?
Yeah.
The 12th of December. So let's talk about what we have planned.
Okay. You want me to start?
You can start.
Okay. Well, of course, we're going to have the staple schoolhouse getting turned into Santa's workshop because to me, that's my favorite because it looks like a Hallmark movie.
It does.
It does. And then, of course, we're going to start with the parade. We do the parade every year. And this year, we actually made it where people can sign up online so they don't have to fill out a paper application and send it back.
That's cool.
So I'm trying to share that link. So if you want to sign up, Facebook, it's on there.
So they go to Facebook.
Yeah, I've been sharing it on Facebook.
Do they search for the Christmas in the Grove?
Yeah, well, it's in the event page.
Okay.
And it's also on our Oak Grove Tourism page.
Okay.
So I've just shared it. I think I pinned it. If not, it's going to be pinned after this. So that they can just easily sign up. And it has worked. We've gotten a couple people sign up. We've got a couple people that's just looked at it. And we've got a decent amount of emails and phone calls.
Oh, nice.
So
nice.
I will say last year we didn't get a lot of confirmed, but we ended up with a huge number of people that showed up.
Right.
Which is fine if you show up that night, but we would like to have a confirmed amount of numbers so we know what we're getting into.
Right.
So please, please, please sign up.
Yeah.
You can throw candy out, decorate your vehicle, play some music. Of course, we're going to have Santa do the tree lighting again this year, and we got some new lights too, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah.
We did.
I don't remember exactly what they were, but
Well, I don't know, but it's all full festive around this park.
it is. We even have a new photo op.
Tell us about this photo op and where did this idea come from?
Oh, somebody great named Traci. She went out of town. She comes back with crazy ideas and just expects us to make it happen. And you know what?
You make
We
it happen.
make it happen.
You make it happen.
Shout out to Amanda and Owen and Lee and Brian. Was it
And
all-
Brittany
and
helped.
Brittany?
Yeah. I don't know about, and no, Melissa, Momo.
And Melissa.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Yeah.
Shout out to everybody
Yeah,
on
yeah.
our team that helped put together
Yes.
this giant picture frame.
So I'll tell you a little story behind this giant picture frame. So we were in California at the AFM. It's actually the American Film Market. And we were out there because we're trying to, talk up Western Kentucky Film Commission to do some movies here. So we went to Rodeo Drive where they had a big tree lighting ceremony the day that we were getting ready the day before we were getting ready to leave. So we were walking down, and there was all these beautiful Christmas decorations. I mean, gorgeous decorations. So I was taking pictures and stuff. So on the way back, we were getting ready to go back to the room, and I see this big picture frame in the middle of the road, decorated in all ornaments and ribbons, and it was just beautiful. And there was this couple behind it, and there was a guy that was taking a picture, and it was a photo frame. So of course I snapped the photo frame. I said, you know what? I said, this would be awesome for Christmas in the Grove as a photo op, big, beautiful photo op. So I did. I am guilty. I had sent it to the team, and I said, can we make this happen? And you know what? Within 2 days, it was done. It happened, and we already took some photos.
And it looks
And
great.
it's gorgeous. It's bigger than the one in California. It's my little button right there. It's I know. It's bigger than the one in California. California was, a little bit smaller, but the one that we did was able to put, if you had a family of 4 or 5, you can get into.
Well, yeah, just to visualize, we are a team of 10. And we took a team photo inside of it today.
Yes, we did.
It's a
And
good
it was
size.
awesome. So, so that's a new addition to Christmas in the Grove. So it'll be out there. So anybody, and I would tell everybody, just take it. It's so much fun. It's so beautiful, and it's a great photo op. And we added, I think, 2 more displays out there as well. What was it, Lee? Didn't we have you put it together. It was a big present.
A
Yeah.
6-foot present.
It was
right?
a present and another reindeer out there. So yeah, we kind of want to add a little bit every year. So we just kind of a little bit at a time. But yeah, so it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be beautiful. And I think we have some twirlers coming out as well.
I believe we do.
Yeah.
Yes, they're going to twirl in the parade, and then I believe they're twirling right before the tree lighting as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that'll be
And of course,
cool.
Santa himself.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. And there's a contest. Isn't there a contest? Yeah.
There is a contest.
There is.
There's always a contest.
Yes. First, second, and third place.
For best floats.
Yes. Or vehicle or
Golf
golf cart
cart.
or whatever.
Best parade activity.
Vehicle that's on 2, 3 wheels, 4 wheels. I mean, you can make it on,
Yeah.
as long as you decorate. I mean,
it can be called the Christmas Spirit Award,
yeah.
Oh.
Can't do too much spirit, though, because you get in trouble if you do too much spirit.
Whoa, hey. Wrong place.
Right. So this is our fourth, I think our 4th year for the Christmas in the Grove, I believe.
At least, I mean, I've been here this is my fourth
this is the
one.
4th, yeah.
Fifth one. I think this is because I started in September. So this was my 4th September, so it's my 5th December. So it'd be my fifth one.
But I don't think we did it 5 years ago. We didn't do it in
My first year, we didn't do it, 2021.
I don't think so. I can't remember, now that I'm thinking about it.
Well,
We may have.
My
We may
first
have.
float, we'll count how many floats I made. My first float was the Polar Express. My second float was Spider-Man. I
Oh.
did all Spider-Man for my kids. And then my third float, I didn't do a float. I did your gingerbread house. And then this year. So yeah.
So 4 years.
we've only
This is
done 4.
this is our 4th year that we're doing it. Yeah, because we did it years ago, and then we stopped it, and so now that we're doing it again, we're back again. Yeah, actually, it is. This is the 4th year that we're doing it. Yeah, so I'm hoping that everybody comes out and gets involved and
don't worry about the cold because Scooters is providing hot cocoa and coffee.
That's right. That's right.
They were really
Yeah.
excited to bring out their
Yeah.
new winter line of hot cocoa. So
Ooh, what kind? What flavor?
I
Do you
think
know?
peppermint.
Is
like
it
a
peppermint?
hot chocolate.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it? It's a hot chocolate. What about
Yeah,
a coffee?
I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure they got coffee too, but I don't know what flavors.
Right.
I haven't confirmed with them on
Right,
that.
right.
So
So it all starts at what time, Scarlett?
5 p.m.
Okay.
5 p.m. If you're in the parade, please be here before 5. It is in the packet, but if you have not submitted an entry, you may not know. You might want to be here by like 4:30, 4:45 for lineup. So
Yeah. And then Santa is going to be at his little workshop,
yes.
and he is giving away some gifts.
Oh, that's right.
Yes, he is. He's giving away a little bit of gifts. So come on out, and it's only while supplies last. But come on out and have the children take some pictures with Santa and get a little Christmas gift. And, I think that...
eat some cookies.
and eat some
have
cookies
some hot cocoa
hot cocoa and just enjoy the festivities and take lots of photos around the photo op. And, I think we're going to have a really, really good time. And the parade route, I believe, is going to be the same as it was the last 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first year it was a little bit, but then we had to redo the route. So I think this route is fine. And what's very difficult is since we don't have a downtown and we don't have a main street, we had to figure out something to do on Christmas as a parade. So this park was the one that, we had to do something to at
Well,
least a parade around the park.
To me, what I love about it is because we had to figure it out. We can't shut down,
Right.
Fort Campbell Boulevard
Right.
and do a parade.
Right.
What I love is that it is in a park. And I
Yep.
mean, how often do you hear it's a parade in a park?
Yeah.
So
True. It's a parade in a park.
Little, it's
yeah.
a little unique.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Yeah. See, and every year I try and want to add something to it, but this year's flew by so fast that
yeah.
I really didn't get a chance to even research or anything that or wanted to add things to it this year. It just kind of fell upon us. It was like you blinked and we're
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
And it's
I think every month
Yeah.
we've said, how is it
how
already
is
the end
it
of the
how
month?
is it possible?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is
So.
just, yeah. And I believe that, hey, Lee, you can decorate your motorcycle. You want to decorate your motorcycle?
Ooh.
That'd be so cool.
Yeah.
But I do think that even if you have a vehicle, put a couple of bowls, put some lights on and stuff, and just enjoy it and just come out and enjoy Christmas in the Grove where,
Yeah.
the spirits are.
You don't have to be a business to enter
No,
the parade. You
no.
can literally just decorate your car,
Mhm.
decorate your bike, decorate yourself, whatever you want to do.
Right. Yeah.
Just no Santa. You're not allowed to have a Santa. That's our one rule.
Yeah.
Because Santa comes at the end.
Right.
So we ask no Santa, please.
Right. But it's going to be a lot of fun.
It always is.
I know it. And then after that, then we're gearing up for 2026, Scarlett.
I know.
What the heck?
I know.
I mean, we're going to blink and it's going to be January. And then.
And to me, this is the busiest time. For me, this is like the busiest time because I'm already planning
Mhm.
for everything in 2026.
I know.
So it's
Because we're pretty much,
crazy.
Valor Hall is we're pretty much booking up for 2026 already.
Oh, yeah.
So, and that's a good thing too. So, and then of course, Buc-ee's should be breaking ground here pretty soon, pretty quick. Well, no, this is no. Yeah, they were supposed to, but I think logistical wise on the road and the bridge, I know that they're doing some things over there to get it ready and prepped.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that. If anything, maybe that'd be a good Christmas gift for Oak Grove.
That they break ground.
That they break
Christmas
ground.
Day.
Christmas Day, break ground.
And then we may get to have them open in 2026. Maybe.
But it's all. I think once it is that you think
It goes pretty
this year
fast.
went fast. You wait. It's gonna go by so fast. And then we're going to be here again next year talking about Christmas in the Grove again.
And
In
next
2026.
Next year, maybe we'll add some stuff on. I can maybe,
yeah.
we'll start researching now.
Yeah, well, we thought we did that last year, and look what happened.
Well, you know
Look-
what I want to do?
What?
I really want to find a way to do an entire little mini Santa village for Christmas in the Grove.
You said that,
I did.
but you never brought anything to me, Scarlett.
Well, you see, what happened was,
What happened was,
here we are in November.
what happened was, I just got busy, Miss Traci.
So busy. Oh.
Just didn't have time to do it because I just got so busy doing all this other stuff.
I have this boss, and sometimes she just slave drives me. No, I'm totally kidding. Totally kidding. She does not do that.
No, we do. I mean, it's going to be, like I said, we'll hit 2026 and it's going to be fast again because our next one will be spring into summer. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're already started working on that.
That's what I'm saying.
I know.
It's so crazy.
I know. It's crazy. But we do have, I think it's been a while since we did the podcast. So I'm gearing up to getting some more special guests. So the 15th of December, we are going to have our special guest, Christy and Jeremy, and they are the commissioners for the West Kentucky Film Commission. And they're going to talk about all film and what they're here to do and what Oak Grove can offer as a filming location. So I'm really, really excited about having them here.
That's really cool.
Yeah,
That's
it
really
is.
cool.
It is.
It might even help the listeners.
Oh, yeah.
Be involved.
Yeah,
'Cause they may
yeah,
want to
yeah.
give up their house.
Exactly,
or
exactly.
Maybe they know some hidden
or a
gem
business or something, or a
locations.
hidden gem that they can just
Yeah.
reach out and say,
Mhm.
hey, and I can always let you know in our newsletter. And if you haven't signed up for our newsletter, please do so. It's
Yeah.
there. It's really informative. I mean, you get a lot of information from the newsletter. So, so I would definitely suggest you sign up for that, and then we can start doing like, anybody have this located, anybody have that, we can post it on Facebook, and we can do all kinds of stuff if we're right now we're looking for a big house that's 2 stories with a basement, that's in the 1990s or the
like a
1900s.
Victorian
A
style,
big-
right?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know, like
yeah.
kinda
And a
old
basement and wooded area and stuff. So we're trying to, we're trying to find something
So if you know
like that.
anybody
So if anybody knows anybody like
in
that,
the area.
yes, definitely. So what else do we want to talk about, Scarlett, since it's been such forever? Lee, do you have anything to talk about? What you want to talk about there, Lee? You want to talk about something?
Welcome to it, buddy.
Welcome to it, Lee.
Y'all doing great.
Oh, I know.
I think the main thing is just making sure everybody knows that Oak Grove's putting on these events to make sure the community
We
can
have a
stuff to do.
lot. There is, I
Yeah.
mean, some people say there's not a lot to do, but there is a lot
Mm-hmm.
to do. We have something all the time. We do everything for this community. I mean, Fort Campbell, Christian County, Oak Grove. I mean, we really do do a lot for this community, and we appreciate you guys, the community, and I hope you appreciate us, everything that we do, for the community. So
Yeah. So come out, have
Yeah.
a good time,
Yes.
take lots of pictures, and send us your pictures.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, because you never know, that picture could win an award.
It could
Never
win an
know.
award. We do.
Yeah,
we
we
enter
do.
awards,
Yes.
and one of the categories sometimes is
It's
best
picture.
picture. So
Mhm.
send
Yeah.
us your pictures.
Yeah.
We'll share them on our stories on social media. We just want everybody to know
Right.
what we do here and
Yeah.
how much fun we have. So
Yes. So just make sure that you listen to your podcast streaming.
yep,
Share
share it.
Share it. Yeah.
Whatever you're listening to
do-
right now, share
yeah,
it with your friends.
Yep. And go to all your favorite podcast station. I think that we're on that. I think what are we on? We're on like no, we're on so many, Scarlett.
Yes. Well, I mean, we're on the Apple podcast.
Uh-huh.
We're on Podbean. We're on all the main
main
podcast
ones,
lines.
yes.
We're also on YouTube. So
You're right.
if you
Right.
prefer to watch the podcast, you're welcome to do so.
And if you noticed, she got some reindeer, and I got the Santa hat. So we're trying to get in the mood. We got the festivity mood, So yeah, and she's got red on. I got red on.
Did I say we took a team photo today?
Did we? We did take a team photo today. Yes, we did, and we took it inside the photo frame
Yes.
that they built, and that turned out so awesome. So yeah.
All right.
All right. Well, I guess this is going to wrap it up for the Christmas in the Grove, scheduled for December 12th.
5
Here at 101 Walter Garrett Lane in Oak Grove, 5 p.m.
Get your entries in.
Get your entries in real fast. Okay.
Gossip in the Grove.